When your brain is fried, no, you cannot meditate your way out of it. You've been abusing your brain during your school, your university, the college, your work, and now summer is here. Then all of a sudden you want to chill, relax, and just recharge. This doesn't work like that. Most people think that recovery is just do nothing for a week and then you're gonna feel better. But your brain is not a machine. It doesn't work like that. And one thing that you should know is mental exhaustion is not laziness. Some people, they are usually very productive. You might be one of them, but sometimes you feel you really cannot do the work. You're not lazy, you're burned out. I'm a doctor and I have experienced this burnout many times. And this video is for you. Reset your brain this summer with these techniques that are gonna change how you see everything. Why did we enter this state in the first place? Well, obviously because chronic stress from school, work, academics, and our brain to rest is scrolling. And scrolling with this overstimulation is also not doing very good to our brain, which means that we are constantly frying our brain, unfortunately. So we got stuck for too long in the state called sympathetic mode, which is the fight or flight mode. How to get out of the state? Just imagine your brain as a dirty glass of water. The first step is not to pour more in this glass, but it's to let this murky water to settle. And that way, you will have a separation. How to translate that into real world? The first thing you must do as a first step is to do a 48 hours dopamine detox. No social media, no multitasking, no background noises. Replace with silence, a bit of boredom, music without lyrics, and some walks outside. Bottom line, let yourself get bored. Yes, you're gonna resist it at first, but then your brain is gonna thank you. This is your natural way to reset your brain. Grossly, don't fill the void. Let your brain breathe. We tend to forget that the brain isn't just an organ, but it is tied to our body, which means movement can heal the mind. The movements that are liked by the brain are some gentle stretching, walking, swimming, and one crucial ingredient for the brain is sleep. Not just more sleep, but quality sleep. Sunlight early in the day, no screens at bedtime. Of course, if you want to take care of your body, you have to take care of your diet. So omega-3 food, hydration, and whole foods. This is not a video about diet, but you get the point. Why are we doing that? Because when your body slows down, your brain will understand that, hey, we're safe. We're not in that fight or flight mode anymore. We're not in the sympathetic tone. Then maybe we can rest as an organ and as a whole body. This toxic productivity in the recent days is making us believe that doing 10 things at a time is the only way to matter in this world. But this summer, our strategy is less is better. 4 mindset reset techniques. Single tasking rituals. 1 task, 1 playlist, 1 intention. 2 morning non-negotiables. 5-minute journal, 1 glass of water, sunlight. 3 track nothing for 7 days. No habit apps, no goals, just observe. Number 4, replace I should with I could. You don't need a 10-step morning routine. You need 1 moment a day where you feel like you're living, not surviving. I remember one summer after medical school, I had 4 weeks of vacation. I said to myself, this summer I'm gonna be studying every day, so I will get ahead and I will start with a momentum the next year. I remember I couldn't read 1 single page. And of course, I felt guilty about it, and this had a negative impact on my performance and everything. And I couldn't enjoy the summer, of course. But I had this turning point one day when I left my phone at home. I went for a walk, just wandering. I sat under a tree, no podcast, no voices, no social media, nothing. I was just existing and observing, enjoying some things around me. And I started to feel at peace, although I was not productive. The message behind this video is don't go into this trap of toxic productivity this summer. You really need to rest, and rest in an active way. Be mindful about it. Do the techniques, the simple ones that I have mentioned in this video. You're gonna feel good just after 48 hours. Trust me, your brain is gonna thank you. So there's one question you need to answer. you can share it with us in the comments. What's one thing you're gonna let go of this summer and one thing that you're gonna try to reclaim?